Let's know about the impact of climate change on India. One of the climate change is global warming. You know that global warming means rising of temperature. For example, the rising of 2 degrees centigrade of temperature appears to be very small. Let us see what happens if the temperature increases just 2 degrees centigrade. Even though 2 degrees centigrade average temperature increases on the earth, its effect is nearly sea level. Sea level increases by 1 meter by the next century. It means due to the rising of 2 degrees centigrade average temperature on the earth, generally it looks very small, but its ill effect is the sea levels increases by 1 meter by the next century. What will happen because of the increasing of the sea level? This would affect the large portions of the coastal areas. The millions of the people who are living in the coastal areas may be shifted, nothing but they may be submerged into the water. It means the countries or the cities which are located near the coast, they are in the serious threat of submerging into the water. For example, you take one of the places, Nonadanga. It is located in the East Kolkata. Nearly 200 families are living in this place. The 200 families living in Nonadanga in the East Kolkata are being evicted by the Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority, KMDA. Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority. Let us see again. The 200 families living at Nonadanga, it is located in the East Kolkata, are being evicted by the Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority because of the increasing of sea levels in this area. Many families came to this Kolkata from the past few years after the Aila super cyclone. It is the name of the cyclone. After this cyclone has happened in 2009. After this cyclone ravaged the Sundarbans, nothing but the mangrove forest in Bengal state. After the Saila super cyclone 2009, many families came to Kolkata in search of work. As well as you take the slum area. This slum area was bulldozed. Nothing but this slum area was destroyed under the heavy police presence. Nearly 700 families. Listen, because of there is also a thunderstorm. Because of this thunderstorm, nearly 700 families lived in a sleepless nights for the past few days onwards. These are all the things for the example of the impact of climate change, that is about global warming. Another important effect is on the rainfall. See, this rainfall that has taken place at the present days is erratic rainfall. Erratic rainfall means in some area excess rainfall has taken place. It means in some areas this is the more rainfall than the normal. It causes the floods. Some areas receives the less rainfall than the normal. It causes the drought. Both these floods and droughts will disrupt the agricultural pattern. This is because of climate changes only. And also already discussed in the beginning of the introduction, the freak weather conditions. That is also the impact of climate change. Freak weather conditions means extreme summers, cloud burst in Uttarakhand, as well as hailstorm in Chevela region, as well as heavy showers of rainfall in Ongole, that is 341 millimeters, and also the fast melting of glaciers in the Himalayas. These all things are the examples for the impact of climate change on India. So in this topic we discussed that about the global warming. This global warming has taken place because of the human errors. So to stop that global warming or to reduce the global warming, we have to avoid all our human errors, because global warming is the problem facing by almost all the countries in the world. So its ill effects, no one can escape from its ill effects.